on? Today we're going to go over how to draw an Among Us crewmate that wants to hug, okay? It's going to be nice, it's going to be interesting, and you're going to love it. So let's go through this short lesson together, okay? It's going to be for beginners. Going to go right here, I'm going to draw a curve right there. That's going to be kind of for the lens of the crewmate. Right on. Draw like a kind of curve at the top as well across, a little bit longer though. Boom. Right on. Doing well, by the way, I gotta say. Doing well. Curve around here. And this one, we're going to make it curve a little bit because I want it to make it look a little bit like he's squinting his eyes, but it's hard to do that, right, with a lens. By the way, open the windows if you do this with a marker. It smells bad, and yeah, you want to open the windows. Curve underneath like so. You want it to look like almost like he's going like, oh dear, you know. Alrighty. And we draw a little curved line right here. Like we're trying to lean into that possibly like he has a squinted eye. Alright. We're going to draw one of his big hands. The reason we're going to do that is because we want him to look like he's about to hug somebody. So we're going to go over here, going to draw a curve down for the thumb. Line over here. Out over here for the first kind of pointer finger. Down. Okay. Let's go into the next finger. It's going to be a little out over here. Down. Up. And then down over here. Alright, let's go over here now. Curve. You got that hand right there. There you go. Okay? Perfect. Perfect so far. All right. By the way, the hand's the hardest part. Don't worry about it. The rest of this thing's going to be super easy. I get, the kind of like, don't worry. You don't have to be exact. So we're going to go right here now. We're going to draw the side of his body. We're going to go over here, line down. Keep following that line, in your mind's eye right here, imaginary, and then it comes out again. One more curve underneath. Sorry, I'm a little bit tired in all these. Forgive me. I don't sleep that well. Line up right here. And then now we're going to go over here, the lower body. Well, lower body right here, curve around this part. So far, you're doing amazing. I know you're doing well. It's all good. Let's start with the other side of the body. We're going to give a little bit of space over here. Okay? Kind of mark it out. And we're looking at it and we're like, we could get this down pretty well. Don't forget to like the video, by the way. It helps kind of put it out there a lot more. If you do like the way I'm teaching here, absolutely hit that like. And, it's a really huge help. It takes less than a second. Line all the way down. Make the foot a little bit lower than that. Curve around here. And we're going to pull up. Right on. Right on. Doing really well. Okay. Doing really, really well. Okay. So now we're going to do the top of the head over here. Kind of start it around this side, curve, and we're going to try to meet that line right there. So maybe around this point, I'm going to start it right there. I like putting that stuff as a starting point because what it does is it kind of gets me ready mentally. I'm already drawing the line in my mind's eye. If that helps you, try it out. Also, kind of cute, right? Speaking of cute, you know what I'm going to say. Speaking of cute, if you like drawing cute stuff, I'm going to pause for a second. If you like drawing cute stuff, and let's just say you want to draw animals that are cute, you want to draw, people, maybe you want to turn your real dog into a cute animal, what I want you to do is there's a guide for it that I created, and it goes over like the cute proportions. What are the cute proportions? It is a large head with like a small body. Right? Almost always. But how small is that body? Because what is the difference between cute and then chibi, right? Is there a difference? Like larger head to an even smaller body? And what do the hands look like? Little bitty nubs when they're ultra cute as opposed to just kind of cartoon hands, right? I go over that stuff and I create it in a visual chart. So you don't have to like read anything. It is literally just a visual thing you look at. You can download the PDF. It's in the description right below, probably the first link. Go download it. And it's 10 pages. Like I said, all pictures. and it is made to print if you want to print it. If you want to print it. That's made for that. But if not, just look at it on your phone. There you go. It's 100% free, by the way. I didn't mention that. That's the best part. Totally free. Go pick it up. And yeah, I'll see you on that side. Alrighty. Well, I don't know. You can just pick it up and come back, but or just mark it and do it after the video. So let's go over here now. We're gonna go back into this, and we're gonna draw a curve for the top of the head over here, like so. And then we're gonna connect these. It should be simple. Let's draw the far side hand over here. Almost done. Okay. Down over here for the thumb. So that's the thumb and the fat pad of the palm right there. Curve down. Out over here, down over here. Pulling in. Outward over here. Pulling down. Curving back. Out over here, down. So now you got the three. And then you want to see the inner palm, right? So normally what we do is draw like a line across the palm here, or you can do like a W shape on its side, and then curve up so. So now you see the palm of the hand. What you can even do right here is draw like a little curve leading into that. It's like the little fat pad of the hand that you can do. All right. Let's go over here to the back. Out. Go over here underneath. Out over here. And then I'm going to curve down. Like so. And then you got that little backpack there. So the last thing we're going to do, and this is like the cherry on top, right, is we're going to put the reflection in his eye. So we're going to do a little bit of a slightly different one. I like going on a thinner line, right, in here. And it doesn't really matter what you do, to be honest. But we're going to go over here and pull up. Line underneath, maybe up a little bit. And then pull down. That's what I'm choosing for this one. You don't have to do that. You can put like your own, like, you know, shape if you want. You can do just like the curve. But I like doing that. It makes it look a little bit more like he has a watery eye. Like he's, oh no, I'm going to hug you, right? And then we're going to draw a thin circle right here. And if you really want, you could draw another circle over here. Like he's really watering, like he's really tearing up, like, oh dear, oh dear. But there you go. That's pretty much it. What I want you to do is I want you to stick around, and we're going to go through another drawing lesson together. Okay? So stay right here. Let's go into the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.